Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are doing fine at your home, right? And also studying and back on schedule with the daily classes, right? Okay. So in the last class, we started with chapter 8, and the name of the chapter was plants, right? Wherein you saw the plants are found everywhere, okay, in our house, near our house, at our neighbor's house, at the roadside. We can find plants at the different places and everywhere almost, right? Okay, so you saw different types that you saw different situations, according to the area. We found out different types of plants, right? We saw the apple tree, we saw the cactus, we saw the beach, the coconut tree which is found near the beaches, right? According to the area and climate, we saw different types of trees and plant, right? And you will study about these plants further in the higher classes. ओके अभी के लिए इतना काफ़ी है आपके लिए एज यू आर इन ग्रेड 2 सॉरी क्लास 2 सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज अ प्लांट ओके what are the parts of the plant. We are going to study about the parts of the plant. When you see a plant, there are different parts, okay, all joined together and they form a plant, right? In the last part, that is part 1, you saw in the end that we saw different types of different parts of the plant, right? Starting with roots, right? Then stem, leaves, flower and fruit, right? All these are the different parts of the plant. Very important, right? To understand a plant, we need to understand the different parts of the plant. As in, if you remember, if we in our EVS chapter 3, chapter 2, our body, we understand the whole body, right? We understood about lungs, brain, heart. Like heart is pumping the blood in the whole body, right? Similarly, plants also have a complete body which has different parts, right? When you see a plant, जब आप एक plant को देखते हो वो एक complete body है लेकिन उसमें different parts हैं, right? So today we are going to study about each and every part of the plant, right? Okay, so we will begin with the very basic and the very deep level, the foundation, जो जड़ है plant की उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे, and that is the roots. Okay, before starting with the roots, I'll show you the picture just to give you a recall. हमने last class में क्या किया था, जो हमने parts of the plant में ये image देखी थी. We have roots, we have stem, we have leaves, we have the flower and also we have the fruit, right? Okay. So this is the image in your page number 59, right? The parts of the plant. A typical plant has different parts as shown below. Okay. Now you can see the image of the roots. Okay. So we start with roots. Now what is a root? It is the part of the plant that grows under the ground. I suppose you all have your pencils. सबके हाथों में pencils हैं, टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन है और आप मेरे साथ रीड करने की कोशिश करेंगे, राइट? ओके, roots, then it is the part of the plant that grows under the ground. Okay, roots प्लांट का ऐसा पार्ट है जो ग्राउंड के अंडर ग्रो करता है, राइट? मिट्टी में, जमीन के नीचे. अंडर द ग्राउंड मीन्स जमीन के नीचे. ओके, द रूट्स बाइंड द प्लांट टू द सॉइल. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बाइंड? बांध के रखता है. ओके, दे ऑल्सो एब्जॉर्ब वाटर एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम द सॉइल. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एब्जॉर्ब? खींच लेना, सक कर लेना, एब्जॉर्ब कर लेना. ओके, दे ऑल्सो एब्जॉर्ब वाटर एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम दी सॉइल. तो जो रूट है वो मिट्टी में से पानी और न्यूट्रिएंट्स वो सॉइल में से लेके पूरे प्लांट को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देता है या पूरे प्लांट को दे देता है, राइट? नाउ इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 59 यू कैन सी द इमेज रूट्स ऑफ अ स्मॉल प्लांट एंड रूट्स ऑफ अ ट्री। प्लांट छोटा होता है इसलिए उसके रूट्स जो होते हैं वो भी छोटे और पतले होते हैं, जबकि ट्री बहुत बड़ा होता है, बहुत हैवी होता है, इसलिए उसके रूट्स मोटे भी होते हैं, राइट। उसके रूट्स मोटे और बहुत ज़्यादा डीप में होते हैं, राइट। Now this is the real image of how the roots look like. Can you see roots grow under the ground? ऊपर मिट्टी है, नीचे under the ground। कैसे? जब आप मिट्टी खोदेंगे तो आपको roots इस तरीके से दिखाई देंगे, right? Understood? I hope you all this whole root part is clear to everyone. Yes? Okay. Now next we move on to the stem. ठीक है, अब हम जमीन के ऊपर आएंगे, above the ground. The stem of a plant usually grows above the ground. Above the ground means ground के ऊपर. It supports the plant. It also carries food and water to all other parts of the plant. Okay? Stem जो है वो जमीन से absorb किया हुआ water डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट को देता है, राइट। अब बॉडी, हमारी बॉडी में क्या होता था कि जो हार्ट में ब्लड जो है वो कौन पंप करता है? हार्ट, राइट। बॉडी में हमारा जो ब्लड है वो कौन पंप करता है? हार्ट, ओके। एंड सिमिलरली इट रोटेट्स द होल ब्लड इन दी बॉडी। सिमिलरली जो ट्री की प्लांट की बॉडी है उसमें जो वाटर रोटेशन है, फूड रोटेशन है, न्यूट्रिशन रोटेशन है, ये सब कौन करता है? स्टेम, राइट। Some plants have strong stems whereas some plants have weak stems. Okay? कुछ जो फ्लावर्स, जिनमें फ्लावर्स हैवी होते हैं, लीव्स हैवी होते हैं, उन प्लांट्स की जो स्टेम होती है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है, और कुछ फ्लावर्स की, कुछ प्लांट की जो स्टेम होती है वो थोड़ी वीक होती है अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द प्लांट, राइट। इन द इमेज यू कैन सी अ रोज प्लांट हैज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेम। ठीक है, रोज प्लांट में स्टेम कैसा होता है? स्ट्रॉन्ग। वेयर एज अ पी प्लांट हैज़ अ वीक स्टेम। व्हाट इज अ पी प्लांट? मटर, हरे मटर होते हैं ना, उसका प्लांट का जो स्टेम्स होते हैं वो थोड़े वीक होते हैं। आई विल शो यू द इमेज ऑफ द स्टेम. So this is the real image of the stem. That's where you can see the leaves come out. Okay, the whole plant is standing on the stem with the help of the stem. It's the support system of the plant, right? Okay, let's move on. Leaves. Okay, so leaves, what do you find out in leaves? So the leaves make food for the plant. They are mostly green in color. Different kinds of plants have different types of leaves. They may differ from one another in color, shape and size. ठीक है, कभी भी कोई भी प्लांट में एक जैसा लीफ नहीं होगा, right? Even the one plant will have different type of leaves, like different shapes of the leaf. I'll give you a simple example. करी पत्ता देखा है आपने? सबके घर में करी पत्ता होता है, right? करी पत्ता के जो जब न्यू लीव्स होते हैं, बेबी लीव्स होते हैं, वो एकदम छोटे होते हैं, और जब लीफ एकदम अच्छे से बड़ा हो जाता है तो देन इट्स अ डार्क ग्रीन कलर लीफ एंड इट्स ऑल्सो बिग इन साइज, राइट? दैट्स हाउ even in one plant there are different shapes of the leaves, whereas different plants have different kinds of leaf and they all differ in color, shape and size. Okay, so you'll find different types of leaves. They'll be differing, they'll be differing in color, shape and size. Okay, banana leaf, you have seen South Indians, they eat on banana on various auspicious occasions, right? So they have a big leaf which can be used as a plate, right? Then you have papaya leaves, which is different in shape because it has so many design and patterns, right? Then you have tulsi leaf which is used in medicinal purpose, right? तुलसी जो है वो एज अ मेडिसिन भी यूज होता है, राइट? मम्मा कभी कभी ठंडी आ गई है, अभी चाय में तुलसी के पत्ते भी डालती है, सो इट गिव्स अ गुड टेस्ट, राइट? सो देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लीव्स एंड उन सब लीव्स का पर्पस भी डिफरेंट होता है, शेप अलग होता है, कलर अलग होता है, राइट? So I'll give you an example. See, you can ask your parent or any guardian to help you to Google, different types of leaf. You can see different types of leaf. Go to your home, in your home, go to your garden and observe. Okay, observe different types of leaves. How they are different from one another. एक leaves दूसरे leaves से कैसे अलग है? Go and find out. Okay, go and search out. Right? You'll enjoy it. Okay. Okay, so the next part is flower. Yeah, a plant is somewhere incomplete with a flower. We tend to like so much of flowers. कभी कभी क्या होता है, टीचर के लिए फ्लावर लेके जाना होता है तो we'll run to the plant and we'll just pluck the flower, which is not good. You should not pluck flowers, right? Okay, but we'll study about the flowers. It is also a part of a plant, right? Flowers are of different colors, shapes and sizes. So you'll find different flowers that you all know, right? Rose is there, jasmine is there, marigold is there. Now all these flowers are different in their colors, in their shapes and also their sizes, right? That you all know. You all are very intelligent, right? Good. So just to give you an example, you can see there are so many flowers in this image, right? And they are all different in their, they are different in colors, they are different in their shape, they are different in size. Some is big, someone are small, someone is, spreading properly, someone is tall. So all these are examples of flowers, and flowers are always different in shape, size and color. Great. Okay, clear? Next part is the fruit. Okay. Now some plants have the ability to convert their flower into the fruit. कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं जब उनमें वो fruit flower लग जाता है, वो flower धीरे धीरे पक के fruit बन जाता है, right? Flowers of many plants grow into fruits. Okay, shown below are some fruits. Now you can see there is an example of different types of fruits given to you: apple, mango, banana, grapes, guava, pomegranate, right? So you can see different types of fruits, right? I'll show you an example. You can see the different delicious fruits. You all like fruits, and we have different seasonal fruits. Now which season? This time in winters we can see lot of oranges, right? Banana. So we have different types of fruits, right? Next, the last part is, or the main part of the plant is the seed. Without seed there wouldn't be a plant. Okay, so seed is very important for a plant. जब भी आप एक प्लांट उगाओगे तो उसके लिए सीड्स लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और सीड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, फ्रूट्स प्रोटेक्ट द सीड इनसाइड देम. Seeds grow into a new plant. So whenever you have got a plant and you want to grow another plant of the similar type, आपके पास एक प्लांट है, आपको एक और प्लांट वैसा ही उगाना है, तो आप उस प्लांट से उसके सीड्स लेके वैसा ही प्लांट फिर से ग्रो कर सकते हैं, राइट? ओके, सम फ्रूट्स हैव बिग सीड्स एंड सम हैव स्मॉल वंस. Some fruits have only one seed and some have many seeds. Like for example, mango. Mango is having only one seed, right? Whereas if you see watermelon, it has so many seeds, right? So seeds are also different according to the fruit. Okay, you can see apple, and then when you cut the apple you can see the different leaves, different seeds coming out of it, right? You can do this exercise at your home. Whichever fruit you find out at your home, okay, and there are seeds. You can see capsicum, right? In capsicum also there are seeds inside the fruit, right? You can see chili, you can see tomato, right? They are also having seeds. Then you can see apple, then orange, right? All these things you can do at your home and find out, right? Now that's your home activity which you can do to find out which fruit is having more seeds, which fruit is having less seeds, okay, which fruit is having seeds, which fruit is not having seeds, right? Okay, like banana does not have seeds, right? Okay. The last part of your chapter, see, you have your body, right? It needs food to grow, right? You were in grade 1. We understood chapter 3 food in our textbook, right? In the last semester. Now, plants also require food to grow. Now, who gives the food, or from where does this food come for the plants? So now we will study how plants get their food. Okay. So how do plants make food? Most plants make food in their leaves. The leaves contain a green colored substance called chlorophyll. Please underline chlorophyll. It's very important. Learn the spelling. Okay. Now what is a chlorophyll? The chlorophyll helps to make food for the plant using carbon dioxide. It's a gas which is found in the air, water and nutrients from the soil. We saw this roots take all the nutrients, right? Then stem takes all the water. Where does this food is being cooked? In the leaves. In leaves we have understood that it prepares the food for the plant, right? And sunlight which we all know is the main source of energy. Okay, now when all these things mix, it is a process, and this process is called as photosynthesis. Okay, this process is called as photosynthesis. Please underline and learn the spelling of this word. Okay, it's very important. During photosynthesis, plants release oxygen into the air. Humans, animals and birds need this oxygen to breathe. Now, there is a reverse case, okay? We breathe in oxygen, whereas plants breathe carbon dioxide, okay? That is why to survive, हमें जीने के लिए ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, प्लांट्स को जीने के लिए कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड चाहिए. That is why we always suggest or advise to plant more trees. अगर trees ज़्यादा होंगे तो हमें ऑक्सीजन ज़्यादा मिलेगा, वरना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, and that can be harmful. Okay. So see, there is a fun fact for all of you. We breathe in oxygen almost 23,000 times in a day. Okay, whenever you are breathing, you are taking oxygen. So in a day, you are taking how many times oxygen? 23,000. Just imagine, it's one day. How much oxygen you require in a year? Just calculate. Okay, that's why plants are very important for human life, right? Okay, now I'll show you a picture. When the food, the plant is feeling hungry, so it wants chlorophyll, and we know how the chlorophyll, how does this chlorophyll is formed? With the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so this is the complete procedure. We saw that roots take in the water and nutrients from the soil, carbon dioxide is taken from the air, and then we get the light from the sun. Okay, all these three things mix and we get the oxygen. So plants release oxygen. Okay, that's how the plants prepare the food for them and release oxygen. Okay, so this you can see how the plant is. See, light, energy, water enters into the leaves, chloroplast traps light, sugar levels of the leaves, carbon dioxide. So all this thing all together mix and give the food, okay, to the plant. So students, what did we learn today? plants grow on a land and even under the water. Okay, the roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil, which we just saw. The stem carries food and water to all other parts of the plant, right? The leaves make food through photosynthesis. Again, I am repeating it. Photosynthesis. Remember the spelling. Okay. Flowers of many plants grow into fruits. Then fruits protect the seeds inside them. Seeds grow into new plants. Okay. All these things we have studied, which combine and make the plant. Okay. And all these are what? Parts of the plant. Right. So students, I suppose that chapter 8 plants is clear to you. You have understood it properly. Do the reading practice and go through the lesson properly. In the next lecture or the next period, I'll share the question answers with you. Till then, do the activities which I've already shared to learn more about plants on your own. That would be fun. Okay, involve your parents, ask mother or father or brother and sister to help you with these activities. Okay, till then, enjoy and stay safe.